Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap news from digitalterminal.in and add it to your WordPress website. So currently I have a fresh installation and I do not have any posts added yet. So I'll show you how you can get each of these categories one by one and then import them into your WordPress website with the same category layout. Okay, first of all, we will need an extension, a Chrome extension. You will need Google Chrome browser for this. So go to extensions and visit Chrome Web Store. Search for webscraper.io and this is the one. Just install this, add to Chrome and you will see icon like this. Okay, once you install the extension, go to a DT website or digitalterminal.in, right click and inspect element. If you see your inspect element below the page, then that's okay. But if you are opening it for the first time, then it will be like this, or maybe you will see it in the bottom in the first place. So click on these three dots, not these one, these are the three dots which you have to click and click on dot to bottom, this one. Now you will see a new tab called Web Scraper because this is because of this plugin, this extension. So go to Web Scraper and here you will see empty list. I already have some other sitemaps, but you will see empty list. Click on create new and create sitemap. Here name it as the website so you don't forget which one was that, digital terminal, and add the URL. So we will need this trending and smartphone. First of all, we will need the smartphone category. So go to smartphones, copy the smartphone URL and add it here. Now, if you want to add multiple categories, then just click plus here and go to trending, copy the trending URL and paste it here. Similarly, go to enterprise and copy the link and add it here. Once you add all of these three links, just click on create sitemap and now we will start building our script. Now you do not have to go to all of these categories, you just have to open one category and do these steps. We are on the root of the sitemap, so let's expand this a bit and scroll it where you can see the two posts and their titles. So click on add new selector, type in the name, like this name will be single and this will be link, ID will be link. Click on selector, select and choose the title, the first title and the second title and choose multiple here. And if you scroll down, you will have to select one and one other and all other will be automatically selected. So on this page, all these headings are selected and not only on this page, but on the smartphone, trending and enterprises, all of these three categories will get the first pages of these single posts. And don't forget to select the multiple. The parent is root because we are just getting the links from these links, the added metadata, these categories. So go to selectors again. Now on single, you have to open any of these posts and then click on this single. So now the root will be our single, so the parent will be the single. Okay, now we have the single information and within the single just click add new and let's get a title and name it, type will be text. Click on select and done. These are not the multiple items, that is why we will not select multiple. Click on save. Let's data preview and you will see we have the title here. Okay, now let's get the category text and select, and this is the category. Save it. It's data preview. We have enterprise. Okay, now we have the description which starts from here to the end, like this one here. So let's go and type description or content, and type will be HTML because this description have links, this have images and all types of data. So we will choose this, select, and then choose this whole parent. Okay, this is just one. Let's right click and click on inspect element to see which element is the parent one. This includes the title as well, and this one is just a single div. So below this we have the story, starts from here, I think. Yes, this one, this is the story. So let's go to web scraper again, click on select and choose the whole parent, starts from here to the last. So I noticed something, that we have a short description as well. If you want to add the excerpt, you can add this excerpt, and this is a text, so select it and get this. Now we have to get the image separately. Click add new, selector will be image, type will be image, select, and this. We choose the type image because we need the image URL, not the image element. So if you click on data preview, you will see that this is referring to that media file. Okay, now scroll down, and if you want to get the published date as well, you can get that. Let me just get it so you have the basic idea. Publish date, choose text and choose the value of the published date. Let's data preview, and we have the right date. Save. Now let's scroll down and see if we have any tags. Yes, we do have the tags. So click on add new, tags, text, select, and get the whole thing, and let's see how it is giving us the data. It is all combined, so we do not want it to be combined. Let's get the HTML and see. Okay, this is also not user friendly. If you can modify the CSV and get these comma separated values, then it's okay, but that will be a lengthy video if I do this in this video. So I want to keep it very short. You can get the tags easily from there. Okay, now click on sitemap and click on scrap and start scrapping. Now what will it do? It will start by getting from first category we chose. It will crawl all the single pages one by one, and it will get the whole data into one CSV. Once you get that CSV, then I'll show you how you can import that CSV to your WordPress website as posts. So let's wait for it. It could take approximately 5 to 6 minutes because there are not a lot of posts there, but I'll not make it all completed because I want to make the video short as possible. So one category or two categories are enough to show you how you can do this by yourself. So we are moving to next category, the trending. So once we have 3 to 4 posts within this category, I'll show you how you can get this. Do not close this browser, let it be, let it run, and once it's finished, it will automatically redirect you to this page. Okay, now as I am just showing you how you can do this, so it's enough data for me. So click on sitemap, export data, Don't do this in the middle of the scrapping, but I am doing this to show you just two categories. Download as CSV and save the file on desktop or downloads or wherever you want. The file name is digital terminal. Save it. Okay. Now go to WordPress website and we have this hello world. Just remove this because we will not need this. Go to plugins, click on add new and search for import export lite. Press enter. And this is the plugin by Vision Infotech. Okay, click on install now. And activate. We will have a new menu here. Click on new import and grab your downloaded file here, or just click on select file and choose it from the downloads folder. Okay, once it's initialized all the CSV, you can just click on next, continue to next step, and here you will need to select the post type. So we are moving it there. So let's click here. You can see all the custom post types available. Just click post and import new items and update existing item if there are any. Click on continue to step 3. Okay, the data looks good. We have 17 records. Click on continue to step 4. Now here is the main part. Scroll down to the section, the field mapping. Grab the title to title, grab description to description, post content, and here choose this option, search images through the content and import images to wrap in image tag. So this will download all the images including in the description as well. Post excerpt, so we got the short description of excerpt here and images. Grab the image link, image src here. This sometime I have issue selecting because this is built with JavaScript. Okay, now scroll down and go to taxonomies and categories. Click on categories and grab the category here. If you got tags, then just click tags and get that as well. Okay, other post options will be publish that. So post status will be publish date, but post date will be now, not now. You will need a specific. If you have the date field in the CSV, just grab that and get it here. Once you're done, just go to continue to step 5, title, content, update all data and click on continue, confirm and run import. Now wait for it and it will start creating all posts one by one. So once created, just go to posts and you can see all the data is here. If you get any of these, click on edit, you will see that the data is available on your website now. So that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you.